Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with the final video update for our stone foundation renovation project in Roland Park, Kansas. As you can see here, this basement is completely transformed now. Looks fantastic now that we have completely remortared the interior stone foundation walls from top to bottom, corner to corner with fresh high-strength concrete mortar. And once that dried, we came in here with our white Drylock waterproofing paint, and you can really see that that this basement is completely transformed now that we have our work done. I really encourage you guys to go out and go back to our first video when we started this project. This is why these are some of my favorite projects to document, because it's such a drastic before and after. It's really not a complicated project. This stone foundation was in particularly good shape, so there really wasn't a whole lot we needed to do as far as prep work with that first step of scraping the wall loose of any kind of loose mortar or stone. Everything was really solidly built, so we were pretty much able to go right into the mortar application, and we got that smoothed out, looking really nice, as you can see. And once that was done and dry, the final painting was done, and this project is complete. So for all your foundation and pairing needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And again, you can always find all of our pictures and video updates from all of our projects, past and present, on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Again, if you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you.